Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn about two interesting features in Windows that are changing desktop background and setting screensaver. First let us learn about changing desktop background or wallpaper in Windows 7. Let us change desktop background or wallpaper of Windows 7. For that, first right click on a blank area of the desktop. This is a blank area. Here right click the mouse button. A pop-up menu appears. Click on the personalize option. Then you will get a new window. Click on desktop background from the window. You will get a window like this. In the choose your desktop background section, choose the location of the picture from the picture location. Here I am selecting Windows desktop background. Select the picture that you want to set as the background. In the picture position section, here when you click on that arrow, you will get a list of options. From there, I am selecting now fill option. Click on the save changes button. Now you can see that the selected picture appeared as the wallpaper. We can set any picture as wallpaper. Your family photos, your pets photos, any picture you can set as background or wallpaper. For that, right click on the desktop, select personalize, then select desktop background, and you have to click on browse to select the location. From there, select the location where your picture is present. Here I am selecting desktop and click OK. From that location, select any picture. I am selecting this picture, and from the picture location, now I am selecting tile option. Save changes. Now you can see that has appeared as tile. You can change the picture at regular intervals like 10 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. Then automatically different pictures will appear on the screen as slideshow. For that, select multiple pictures from the folder and select the time interval at change every drop down menu. If you want to appear picture in a random manner, you can click inside the shuffle checkbox, or it will appear in the same order as in the folder. Select the picture position. Now save changes. Wait, now you can see every 10 seconds new picture will appear as wallpaper automatically. See, third picture. Setting screensaver in Windows 7. Hey, look at this. What's going on the screen? Oh, it looks awesome. What is this? This is called screensaver. A screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is inactive for a specified amount of time. Screensavers were originally designed to help prevent images or text from being burnt into older monitors. Now let us set screensaver. For that, right click on a blank area on the desktop to open the shortcut menu. So from this menu, select Personalize. Click on the screensaver from the window, this one. In the screensaver dialog box, click on Screensaver drop down menu. You can see different options here like 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify. Now I am selecting bubbles, and we can set the timing here in the wait button. So you can increase the timing by clicking here, decrease the timing by clicking here. I am setting this as 1 minute, and we can see the preview here by clicking on the preview button. Like this, screensaver will appear. If you want to select this, you can click OK and click Apply, or you can change another one, ribbons, wait time 1, preview. If you want to see the preview, this is the preview, click OK. Now you can see that. Wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you don't touch your mouse, keyboard or any other thing, then it will appear on the screen as screensaver. So you have to wait. Don't touch on the mouse or keyboard. Patiently you have to wait for 1 minute. Then automatically it will appear on the screen. You can download screensaver from the website also. From there you will get lot of collections. See that ribbon, we have applied the ribbon. That screensaver has appeared on the screen after 1 minute.
Now let's see how to set wallpaper in Windows 10.
Right click anywhere in the blank area of the desktop, select Personalize option, and a new window will appear like this. From here you have to select background, solid color, picture, slideshow. So now I am selecting picture. Solid color, you will get different colors like this. Picture, if I am selecting, you can select pictures. From here you can select picture, or you can browse. From there you can select picture. Now I am selecting a picture. This picture I am selecting, this one. I am selecting this picture, and from this drop down menu you can select the fill, fit, stretch, style, sender options. So here I am selecting stretch, and let us close this window. Now that wallpaper has been set. We can set slideshow also here. For that, right click anywhere in the blank area, select Personalize option. From the new window, select slideshow from the background menu, and here you have to keep all the pictures in a particular folder, and you have to select that folder. Browse for the folder. I am selecting the folder from desktop and new folder. Choose the folder, and here we can set the timing, duration of the. For that, click on the drop down menu. Here you can see 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Here I am setting 1 minute, and we can set shuffle on or off. Shuffle on, otherwise it will display the pictures in the same order as in the folder. Here it will display in any random order. Now close that. You can see after 1 minute the next picture will appear.
Setting screensaver in Windows 10.
We can set screensaver also. For that, right click anywhere in the blank area, click on personalize option, then select screen saver option. First click on the lock screen option, then select screensaver setting from here. Now we can set the screensaver. From here we can select any screensaver effect, Mystify or bubbles. Like this we can select any one. We can set the duration, wait time here. Can increase or decrease, increase or decrease the timing. Then you can apply this. Now it is bubbles. Apply this and click OK. You have to wait for 1 minute. After that, that screensaver will appear on the screen.
So we have learned about wallpaper setting, screensaver setting today. Portions for the first online exam. Chapter 5 Fun with Paint. Chapter 2 GUI Operating System. You must read the chapter and keyword section also. Questions like name the following, filling the blanks and short answer type questions will be there for the exam. Study well. Be honest while writing the exam. All the best, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.